welcome back to Jillian D Cooks Cooking Channel. Today in the kitchen, and I am in a different kitchen if you may have noticed. We are at our place at the ski hill. So today we're going to be making some brownies. These are the Chocolate Bliss Brownies from Epicure. They are completely kosher, gluten-free, non-GMO, so it's awesomely healthy for you and your children. And the ingredients: cane sugar, chickpea flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and sea salt. So again, all ingredients that you can pronounce and you know what they are, which is super important. So we're gonna be making these today in the kitchen, and I may have a little helper joining me in a couple minutes. So as I said, I'm gonna have my little helper here helping with brownies. And so we're gonna open it up. Make sure you can see what you need. And dump it in. Is it all coming out? Okay, I think we might need, there we go. Let's do it together. Okay, do you want to go get 2 eggs?
2 eggs?
2 eggs. And then it says to put in about 1/2 cup of oil, which I will get out of here, out of these cabinets. Okay, so we put 2 eggs into the mix, and now we're gonna do 1/2 cup of oil.
Can I pour them?
Yep, see this one down here?
Yep.
Pour to that one. And stop. Good job.
Now pour it in.
Now pour it in. All right, let me take that. I'll put it in the sink. And you want to give it a big stir?
Okay.
So my helper here is stirring it in, stirring the eggs and stirring the oil and the ingredients and mushing the eggs, of course. So we made a quick change to how we're making this. Rather than putting it into the brownie pan, we decided to make brownie cupcakes. So we're gonna put them in the oven. We're gonna put it in for about 15 to 20 minutes, 350, and we'll see how they come out. So we just did 15 minutes. Can you punch it all the way in? Let's see if it's ready or not. Push them all the way down, take it out. Looks pretty good. Do you want to pop it in the middle of a few of the other ones? What do you think? Do you think they're ready?
Let's just do the same one.
Try this one. I'll put them in the middle, okay? That might need a couple more minutes, eh? Not too bad. We're going to put them in for 1 more minute and see what happens here. They're looking a little interesting. They're not quite like how brownies have usually come out for me, but we're going to give these a try. So we just took them out of our oven, and then we're going to let them cool for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to give them a taste and see how they are.
Our cupcakes.
The brownie cakes. Mini brownie cakes. Okay, so we have the muffins, brownies, muffin cakes, muffin cupcakes, brownie cupcakes, whatever they are. Do we want to try them?
Yay!
They're a little warm.
And cracky.
We'll see how they taste.
Ooh, good.
Are they good? They are. They're a little bit, they taste a little different. They taste a little bit, a little crunchy. So maybe I didn't stir it well enough.
Yeah.
But they're very good. What do you think?
Let's buy them again.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much for joining us on baking the chocolate brownie mix.
Mommy, it's brownie cupcake.
Brownie cupcakes. Okay. See you next time.